Hello everyone, thank you for joining on my another live stream today. So this is the 20th of August 2020 and this is on Thursday. So I hope you're having a great day today. And today I don't feel very well, so I think the live stream is going to be about like 30 minutes. And afterwards there will be a membership live as scheduled. So hopefully you enjoy today's live as well. So yeah, I do the lives every day through Monday to Sunday, basically every day in a week, and every Thursday and every Tuesday I talk about Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. And so today's on Thursday, so I will talk about the market based on Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, and especially today's topic is about the forecast lines. And if you come to my website and scroll down a little bit, there is a program guide, and this is like almost like a TV program guide where you can see all these contents that you can expect for the future live streams. And today is the it's 20th, right? Yeah, it's 20th of August. So I will talk about how to draw powerful forecast lines. And forecast line is actually introduced on the original book of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. And this is very powerful. This is a very powerful lines. So I will talk about it step by step and how you can draw it. And on the membership live later, I will talk more deeper level about these forecast lines and how to take trades by these forecast lines. Alright, so let's get started right now. And before starting, if you are new to my channel, my name is Kei, and I am a Japanese full-time Forex trader in Tokyo, Japan. So in this YouTube channel, I mainly talk about how not to lose over time for those who have been still struggling in trading, while most of the traders would focus on how to win or how to make profit. So my focus on this channel is how not to lose, because I think this is the essence of how you can grow profit over time eventually. And also I have been using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo for the last 5 years as one of my main trade strategies, and I have been sharing extensive knowledge through the original books of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo in this YouTube also. And as far as I know, I am the only Japanese trader who teaches Ichimoku Kinko Hyo from the original books in English. So hopefully you enjoy my Ichimoku lectures. And also I run the Ichimoku community as well. So if you're interested, you can click on the join button on this YouTube platform, and you are always welcome to join the community. So today's topic is about the forecast lines. So let's talk about it right now. And oh yeah, and one quick announcement is that the next GTS from October until December is going to be announced officially in public tomorrow. So you will see a new video for the introduction of this GTS that's coming up on this October until December tomorrow. I will upload a new video so you can enjoy that video too. Okay, so let's get started. So forecast line is very powerful tool, powerful way to look at the market, especially when it's retracing backwards. So here is one of the examples for this forecast lines. And oh yeah, so before starting here, hold on, let me see. Before starting, just as a disclaimer, hold on, where is it? Yeah. All these contents, knowledge is based on my experience. So when you take trades, please do with your own risks, okay? Alright, so let's see who's here first. Real quick, Henry, Vincent, Melanie, Seros, Mehdi, and Cyril, Jagadish, thank you for joining. And Checkmate, Anthony, Tanapo, Tauhid, and Dinesh, Sandro, thank you for joining everyone. Alright, got my pen and paper ready. Alright, so let's go. So forecast lines how you can draw forecast line is actually simple. Basically, you look for the recent high or low. I mean recent low when the price is below the Kumo. So in this case, we look for the recent low and we find it to be here on this candle, on this 31st of July 2020 on this USDJPY daily chart. There is a decent swing low here, and after this the price is going up, right? The price is going up. So exactly when you see this day, when you see this candlestick, you might not gonna be able to draw these lines because it needs to take some more time to develop it, because it might continue to go down this way, and in that case you cannot draw such lines. But in this case, it's been retracing for a couple of days now, so you can use this forecast line. And how you can draw is that you draw two lines basically. So in this case, from the recent low to yeah, I already have this this measurement tool here, but you count that time. You count the number of candles, simply 26 forward. So including this candle, right? So this is a little trick here, but every time you count the candles, you have to include this candlestick as one. So in this trading view platform, you have to start counting from this one, so that this candlestick is going to be included as one first candle, and you drag it to the future, 26 candles, and this is exactly here, as you can see. And so when this candlestick was formed, the Kumo, Senko span A, was below here, Senko span B was right here, that we can see. So when this is bearish Kumo, when the Kumo is bearish, the upper line is called the Senko span B, and the lower part is called Senko span A. And both Senko span B and A captures the long-term market momentum. So simply you draw these lines, one of the lines to Senko span B, one of the lines to Senko span A, and you get the forecast lines. That's pretty simple, right? That's pretty simple. So, and by drawing this, what you can know is very powerful. First of all, right now, as you can see, the price is going up. This is N wave. This is in the middle of the N wave, so we can expect the price continue to go up this way. And so as it develops, if the price ends above the Kumo, then we expect the price continue to go up this way. And when it ends within the Kumo, then we can expect the price will be ranging some more time. And if the price ends up below the Kumo, then it can go downwards from there. So by drawing these forecast lines, we can expect which way the price is potentially moving while it's retracing backwards. So overall, this is downtrending, but right now it's retracing upwards. So, and by drawing these lines, we know exactly when the price might stop retracing and start to go backwards. So that's when the price breaks these forecast lines downwards. I mean forecast line from low to Senko span A. When the price breaks downwards, exactly here, we can expect the price can continue to go down this way. But the price may keep retracing upwards. And if it does, then it just ends here, above the Kumo, above these forecast lines, and then we expect the price continue to go up this way. Okay? And if it's in the middle of the Kumo, then it can consolidate for a couple of more days. And right now, as you can see, the price is going up, and the current price is technically above these forecast lines. So in this case, I won't look for the sell chance, nor I look for the buy chance. I will just stay away from the market because this is very difficult to expect which way it's going. So I will wait until the candlesticks reaches to this day, which is exactly the 4th of September. I will wait for that and yeah, just expect which way the price is ending up. However, because it's been downtrending, so if you look at the USD JPY in the long term like this after the corona, it's been gradually going down. Then the price is below Kumo now, and Chikou span below these candles too. So in this case, if the price breaks these forecast lines downwards, even before the price, even before the day reaches to the 4th of September, even before that, if the price breaks these forecast lines downwards, then I can start to look for the sell chance, because there's a good chance that the price continue to go down this way. And if it really goes over this 4th of September, then it can go further downwards this way. So practically, this is how I use the forecast lines to take trades. So in this case, once again, it's in the middle of the N wave after this low, right? It's in the N wave and it can go upwards this way now. So I will wait until the price breaks these forecast lines downwards this way. Yeah, and this is in a daily chart, but I recommend you to use these forecast lines in a daily chart first, and once you get used to it, then you can switch it to like 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart to draw these forecast lines too. But yeah, I usually use this in daily chart. Yeah, I hardly use it in lower time frame because first of all, the market changes a lot in lower time frames, and there are lots of noises in the market. So sometimes these forecast lines or Ichimoku Kinko Hyo itself won't really work in lower time frames, in my opinion. So that's why I use a little bit different tools and indicators in lower time frames. But Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, in my opinion, is very good to capture the overall market situation, including the 5 lines and also the forecast lines, and also 3 theories: wave and time and price theories. You can use it. Okay, so this is one of the examples of how you can draw these forecast lines and how we expect the price to go up or downwards afterwards. Yeah. So let's see. All right, Sandro, Dinesh, thank you for joining. To see you. Sunday, Scrooge, thank you for joining as well. Mr. Fernandez, good to see you. Good to see you. All right, Danny, thank you for joining. All right, Lens, thank you for joining. Good to see you. All right, Christian. Hello, Kay. In the case of a Great Depression in the indexes, how to forecast to the downside? Actually, this is the comparison between USD and JPY currency strength. So, if USD currency value is drops, then this chart will go down. If the US currency gets stronger, then basically it goes up this way. So I don't really, of course, during the Great Depression, a recession, right? There are lots of volatilities in the market, but in Forex, we can run profit when we buy and also when we sell, because this is nearly equal to zero-sum game, in my opinion. So you can buy or sell, but still make profit in both ways. Hi Zoeb, thank you for joining. To see you. Alright, so let's take a look at some other pairs and see if you can draw these forecast lines. So here is Euro USD. So I will just pick this one. Hold on, so let me just take out this these lines. Yeah. Alright, and this is currently retracing. Right? It's currently retracing. So in this case, we can draw these forecast lines too. So we count the number of candles. So the recent low, recent high in this case is on this candlestick, as you can see. So we take this one and we draw, we measure 26 candles forward. So if I do this, then it's going to be here. So we know that on this day, 22nd of September, 22nd of September Kumo was actually shaped when the price reached all the way at the top. Okay, so we draw the lines, right? We draw the lines. One of the lines I draw from the top to Senko span A, and other one I draw it from the top to Senko span B. Okay, and these are the forecast lines. And right now I can see that the price is below these forecast lines. So right now we expect the price go down this way, and if it ends up below these forecast lines, then we can expect the price continue to go down this way. If it ends above these forecast lines, it can go up this way. And if it ends in the Kumo between forecast lines, then it can consolidate for a couple more days. Yeah, so here is another real-time example of how you can draw these forecast lines. So every time, whenever you see these retracement, whether it's uptrend or downtrend, you can draw these forecast lines and expect which way the price is going in the long term by using Kumo and the recent high or recent low in the market. Alright. Alright, Maria. Hello, Kay. How many hours do you usually spend in front of PC waiting for candles to go in a direction? I only look at the chart 3 times a day, in the morning and afternoon, evening in Japan time. And every time I look at these pairs only like 30 minutes to 1 hour. And if I don't see any decent trends, then I just stay away from the market. Alright, how to draw the vertical line at right side, the red color one. Yeah, Jod, you cannot put many comments as possible, right? You just put one comment and that's it. Yeah, otherwise I cannot see all these comments. So yeah, you simply take this tool, and this is TradingView. So you put this vertical line and just put it here. Yeah, it's so simple. Alright, Shanti, good to see you. This Euro USD example is enough to understand, sure. I think this is a great example for these forecast lines. Yeah. Alright, Shanti, can I keep drawing forecast lines from everyday top and keep erasing the drawing new lines next day so I can catch a top? It might be, right? It might be the top, it might not gonna be the top. So we have to, once we see the high, the current high, you want to give it a couple of days. If it's a daily chart, you want to wait a couple of days to confirm the decent retracement. Yeah, if you draw it every day, then that will be a lot of job, right? It's not really a it's not really a like efficient. So whenever you look at the daily chart and whenever you see this retracement, then you can draw. Because right now I can draw it right now like this, but the price may break upwards anytime soon, because overall this is uptrending. The Kumo is uptrending, Kijun Sen is below the Tenkan Sen, and Tenkan Sen is still moving up, and Chikou span is still above these candles. So overall, this is buy biased, right? The equilibrium is towards the buy, right? Buy biased, but so we can expect that the price continue to go up this way. But we draw these forecast lines, and just because in case the price continues to go down this way, then and you will see a Sanyaku Gyakuten signal here, then we can instantly know that the price may continue to go down. Yeah, so yeah, I don't really draw these lines every day, but whenever I see the retracement, then I start to draw. And I think that's just enough, I guess. Yeah. All right. Hi, Gabriele. Thank you for joining. Okay, Skarouge, Sensei K, please include look at Bitcoin in your excellent analysis. I'm sure there are many other people interested in also. Yeah, I don't really actively look at Bitcoin, and the reason is because I don't take trades, and I'm not really familiar with the cryptocurrency world, what's happening over there. Right, I can only share my view from Ichimoku Kinko or other tools. So yeah, I prefer to focus on these major pairs that I especially take trades, so that I know what I'm saying. Yeah, but yeah, I will take a look at it maybe sometime next time, tomorrow or so. So yeah, if you can remind it, that'd be great. Today, because my condition is not really great, I think I will be ending the live in about like 10 minutes. Yeah, so I will check it as it's requested, maybe next time. Yep. Hi Zeroen, thank you for joining. To see you. Hi Maru-san, thank you for joining. To see you too. Anthony, so you never trade again. You never trade ranging market on the daily chart and 4-hour chart. You only trade when you have a trend on the daily chart or 4. Exactly. Yes, exactly, Anthony. You get the point. You get the point. So, yep. If there's no trend in the daily chart or 4-hour chart, then I stay away from that currency pair. All right. So for XAU is at the top. Good explanation, Kay. Sure. You're welcome. Hi, Golam. Thank you for joining. To see you. And CA, thank you for joining also. To see you. Yep. Yeah. So, all right. So looks like we have like 5 minutes more. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin then. We have time. So I think I have a Bitcoin, maybe not. Yeah, let me pull it up right now and see if we can draw the forecast lines, which is today's topic. If not, then I will just give my overall analysis. BTC USD, right? BTC USD. Okay. And this is it. Alright, BTC USD daily chart. Let's see. So let me just delete these lines first. I think I did some analysis on the weekly basis, I believe, in the past. But oh yeah, let me just delete these lines. Yeah, and now it's been ranging. Looks like the price is reaching to the top and kind of resisted on this level clearly. So that's one thing. Yeah, this level, right? And now price is going up, basically, right? It's been uptrending. This is a beautiful N wave. So in this case, I only expect the price to break the recent high upwards this way, or it might be resisted. It might retest this level couple times, and it may go backwards too. But as long as the price is above the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and the Kumo, and as long as Chikou span above these candles, this is buy biased based on the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So we can expect the decent uptrend in this case. Yeah, Bitcoin looks to be quite strong these days. Yeah, it's been consecutive uptrends. And let me break it down to the daily chart now. Based on the daily chart, yeah, this is also uptrend beautifully. So I expect the price continue to go up in this chart too. Like I will draw the line. I will draw the line like this, and I expect the price to keep going up. And price is still above the Kijun-sen and the Kumo also. And price is kind of below the Tenkan-sen now, but unless the price breaks the Kijun-sen downwards, this is uptrending. And one thing is that Chikou span is getting closer to the candles now. So once Chikou span gets into the candles, start to overlap with these candles, then you might stop looking for the buy chance. It might continue to range, or it might be resisted or retest a couple of times on this area, and it may go downwards from there too. But as long as Chikou span is away from the candles, I think this is still uptrending, so I will look for the buy chance. I will. If I will take trades, I will look for the buy chance on this one. Yeah. I hope that makes sense, right? Kumo is going up right after Kumo twisted here. It's been stably going up, and Kijun-sen angle is also going up too. Right? Chikou span is getting closer to the candles, but technically still above these candles. So I think this is quite bullish. Alright, let's see. Alright, you're welcome, Anthony. Alright. Alright, Kay, I'm not sure if I missed in your previous videos. I like to ask if you trade minor pairs also. I don't look at the minor pairs actually, or exotics. I don't look at them. I only take trades on these major pairs, basically. Yeah, because you know, there are lots of unexpected market moves on these minors, and also the spreads is usually wider, and that's why. Alright. I just started working, so I'm not able to join every day. Okay, sure. Thank you for joining. Good to see you, Gabriele. And Tanapol, you're welcome. Alright. Tauhid, every day I learn something new from your channel. Thank you very much. You're welcome, Tauhid. And yeah, Scrooge, you're welcome. I hope it makes sense to you on my Ichimoku analysis on Bitcoin. Alright, so I guess I will be ending the live anytime soon. So after this public live, there will be a Ichimoku membership live in about 30 minutes. So, and today's topic is also about the forecast lines. And I will show you more TED examples on the membership live. And also, we'll look at other forecast lines. So other variation of forecast lines on Ichimoku membership live. So for those who are members, I will see you later. And for those who are joining in public, I will see you on tomorrow's public live. So tomorrow is going to be Friday, So I will talk about my own strategy, which is called KTS, Case Trading Strategy. So I will talk about the essence of head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, this is one of my favorite patterns of the candlestick form or the price action. So we'll focus on this. We'll focus on the head and shoulders pattern, and we'll look at a couple of pairs tomorrow too. Alright, so if you're interested, please join tomorrow. And if you liked today's live, please press a good button before you leave. And please subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notified as I do these lives every day. Alright, so once again, thank you for joining. Sorry, I will just rest a little bit because I don't feel really good today. But hopefully you enjoyed today's live. And I will see you later on the membership live or tomorrow. Okay? So, stay gold everyone, and stay healthy until we see you tomorrow. So, bye for now everyone. またね. Thank you.